Alright, check this out. Today on my channel, I want to teach y'all how to monetize YouTube Shorts. YouTube got a new feature where you can upload short videos just like TikTok, and they promote these videos more across their platform. The short feature is still in beta mode, but they're rolling it out more and more on YouTube under every video. On the home screen a lot. If you make short videos just on Instagram or TikTok, you can upload them on YouTube and you can monetize them. And I want to teach y'all how to monetize short videos. Now, I'm making this video under the impression that you already monetize and just want to know how to do the short, or how to monetize the short. Now, you will see right here, whenever you upload a short on YouTube, it's a short icon, right? It's a short icon right by it. But when you click on those three dots from your page, you go to Edit, Advanced Settings. You will see right here, you're able to monetize it. So all you gotta do is hit that monetize button and set it up. Set up the monetization, save it. Now you see the short is monetized, right? Now you see it's monetized. Just uploaded it. So that's how you monetize a short video on YouTube. You gotta go within YouTube Studio, go into the monetization settings under the advanced settings, right? And it'll let you monetize the short. You can also add a description and you can add tags to the short and add it to a playlist. So I just wanted to show y'all this so y'all know y'all can monetize a short video on YouTube. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.